In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube search history not showing. The first thing you want to do is open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now find the option of manage all history, tap on that. Here you should find the option that says not saving your YouTube history, tap that. Now if it is turned off, you simply want to turn that on, tap on the turn on option. Now you also want to check the box that says include your searches on YouTube. Make sure that you have checked this option on. Once that is done, head back over to YouTube, tap on the search bar, and here you want to search for anything that you want. Now once you have searched that, you again want to head back over to settings, then manage all history. And here under searches, you're going to find what you just searched for. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.